Namaste everyone. Shri Gurukul wishes everyone present here and those who are witnessing the program virtually a very happy 75th Independence Day.
Freedom should not be something you have to deserve. It is something just naturally have, something that no one can take away from you. Let's celebrate freedom.
The esteemed people, dignitaries on the dais, members of management, benevolent Gurujis, my beloved Gurukulites and dear parents.
Today, we all are gathered here to mark the other landmark of success by celebrating 75th Independence Day of our motherland, India. So, I, Bhavani Chetan, and along with me is
Archana.
From the core of our hearts, welcome you all to today's program on behalf of the entire Sri Gurukul family. My love for my nation is worthiness.
My love for my people is endless.
All I desire for my country is happiness. Let us be first to wish you a special happy Independence Day.
Now, let me request Bhavani Guruji to welcome everyone to the gathering.
It's a great privilege and honor for me to welcome you all to the special event. First and foremost of all, I extend a warm welcome to the chairman of Sri Gurukul, T.S. Madhu Jain sir. Next, let me welcome our secretary, Srimati Rashmi Madhu Jain madam, to the special event. Let me also extend a hearty welcome to all our beloved Gurujis. I take this opportunity to welcome the icons of Sri Gurukul, our beloved Gurukulites. I also welcome all the parents to this special occasion. So, on behalf of our entire Sri Gurukul family, once again a hearty welcome to each and everyone.
Thank you so much, Guruji. This special occasion reminds me of the golden words of Mark Twain. India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend and the great grandmother of tradition. Our most valuable and most constructive materials in the history of man are treasured up in India only.
Customary to begin the program with welcome song, so let me invite Rohini Guruji.
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे के बिंदिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, I love my India. ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India. जब छेड़ा बलहार किसी ने, झूम के सावन आया, आग लगा दी पानी में, जब दीपक राग सुनाया, सात सुरों का संगमय जीवन गीतों की माला, हम अपने भगवान को भी कहते हैं बांसुरी वाला, बांसुरी वाला। ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India. हो हो ये मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी
for this wonderful song. Her melodious singing makes me to quote these beautiful lines. I love India.
My soul is for India.
My life is for India.
I live for India.
I will die for India.
I am an Indian first.
I am an Indian last.
We will try our best to the worthy children of our India. We will do our best. We celebrate Independence Day to remember our freedom fighters because they were the ones who struggled for our country and sacrificed their lives.
This is the reason we are here, together to celebrate this day. We also congratulate and salute the winners at Tokyo Olympics and held our tricolor flag high. It was on this day, 15th of August 1947, that India woke up from the hold of mighty British. Who can forget that midnight when our tricolor flag was given due respect and was hoisted by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? Who can forget how much it took for us to get this independence, how much we lost and how much blood was shed?
So, let's dedicate this day to these proud sons and daughters of the country. Now, let us take the opportunity to salute our tricolor flag and honor our Mother India. So, let me request our chairman, T.S. Madhu Jain sir, to hoist the national flag.
National salute! Salute! National anthem! Begin! Order. Group standard test. 1. Group attention. 1.
We thank our chairman T.S. Madhu Jain sir for hoisting the tricolor flag and inaugurating the event.
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा. झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा. सदा शक्ति दर्शाने वाला, प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला, वीरों को हर्षाने वाला, मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा. झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा. Now, let's cherish the melody of patriotic song presented by Vani Jaisima Guruji, captured amidst the nature.
चंदन है इस देश की माटी, चंदन है इस देश की माटी. तपोभूमि हर ग्राम है, हर बाला देवी की प्रति प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है, बच्चा बच्चा राम है। हर शरीर मंदिर सा पावन, हर मानव उपकारी है। जहाँ सिंह बन गए खिलौने, गाय जहाँ माँ प्यारी है। जहाँ सवेरा शंख बजाता, लोरी गाती शाम है। जहाँ सवेरा शंख बजाता, लोरी गाती शाम है। हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है, बच्चा बच्चा राम है। जहाँ कर्म से भाग्य बदलता, श्रम निष्ठा कल्याणी है। त्याग और तप की गाथाएं गाती कवि की वाणी है। ज्ञान जहाँ का गंगा जल सा निर्मल है, अविराम है। ज्ञान जहाँ का गंगा जल सा निर्मल है, अविराम है। हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है, बच्चा बच्चा राम है। जिसके सैनिक समर भूमि में गाया करती गीता है। जहाँ खेत में हल के नीचे खेला करती सीता है। जीवन का आदर्श जहाँ पर परमेश्वर का धाम है। जीवन का आदर्श जहाँ पर परमेश्वर का धाम है। हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है। चंदन है इस देश की माटी, तपोभूमि हर ग्राम है। चंदन है इस देश की माटी, तपोभूमि हर ग्राम है। हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है, बच्चा बच्चा राम है, बच्चा बच्चा राम है।
Thank you, Vani Jaisimha Guruji, for your melodious song.
Dear all, it's a known fact that our Sri Gurukul launches every event with a novelty, uniqueness every time. In spite of the pandemic situation, our beloved Gurujis did not hesitate to come forward with new ideas and events that helped our beloved Gurukulites to be submerged in the rivers of patriotism.
Our Gurujis have been working extremely hard for the past few weeks on their preparations. We ensured that every move of the Gurukulates is flawless and that every performance receives the best rewards.
Our Gurukulites are the sunshine of our lives. These small yet beautiful gifts of God are the ones who make our life worthwhile. Today, we will have a rainbow of programs prepared under the able stewardship of our beloved Gurujis.
Our Sri Gurukul has conducted number of activities keeping in view the pandemic situation. Sri Gurukul has decided to launch the events virtually, yet to please the eyes of the gathering.
Our Gurukulites had actively taken part in drawing, fancy dress, speech, science trick activity and won eye-catching rewards. So we congratulate you dear ones on behalf of entire Sri Gurukul family.
Dressing up your child as any of the freedom fighters is the great way of teaching them about the people who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country. Let us meet the winners.
dear children. Our Gurujis are depicting the theme Unity in Diversity by dressing up in costumes of respective states.
29 states,
1618 languages,
6,400 castes,
6 major religions,
6 ethnic groups and 1 country.
That's
India.
ಸರ್ವರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
ಗಗನ ಕೊಳ್ಳು ಮೇಘಗಳು
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನ ಶಂಸನೆಗಳು.
काय करताय डोळ्यात बोलताय है दिल में क्या क्या शुरू छुप छुप देखे आंखों में जाके है दिल में क्या क्या शुरू मुझे बता जरा कहता क्या दिल तेरा इश्क का रंग अग बाय 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 बाय
स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या शुभेच्छा.
आजादी दिवस की लख लख बधाइयाँ.
Hey,
कम्मा गणेशा, आप सभी में स्वतंत्र दिवस की घनी घनी बधाई हो।
அனைவருக்கும் இனிய சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Wow, what a fantabulous performance. Oh, the wonderful beauty of Himalayas puzzles me.
The Rajasthani Thar desert sweats me.
The clouds of Chirapunji showers me.
The Switzerland of India, Kashmir, shivers me.
The music of Hindustani and Carnatic wonders me.
The land of great national leaders and genius prouds me.
More than 100 crores of population living without any confusion.
The gateway of India opens a way for love and affection.
The history of India made its inscription.
Many civilization has its evolution.
A wide variety of agriculture and culture.
Is this the gifts of nature?
The white marbles of Taj Mahal reflect the skills of India.
No wonder ours is incredible India. Unity and diversity are not opposites. We can achieve great unity as we foster an atmosphere of inclusion and respect our diversity.
We are all so different, but there is one thing that unites us all, and it is independence. Let us enjoy this wonderful day.
Dance is the hidden language of the soul. Dance is a language beyond words, expressing that for which we have no words. So, our Gurujis will represent the cherished Indian culture through dance.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू।
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे, आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे।
पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। मैं वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहां रहूं जहां मैं याद रहे तू। है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन मेरे वतन।
Thank you, Gurujis, for this wonderful performance. I'm sure our Gurukulites are drenched with the spirit of patriotism.
Unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved.
Dear all, time and again our Sri Gurukul has proved that we work as a family, we pay attention to the smallest detail of every task and ensure that there is not even an iota of inaccuracy in any task.
We have reached the end of the program, but before concluding, let's pledge that each and every breath we take, we owe to our nation. We dedicate every action, every day for the progress of the nation.
Let us create the nation that we would be proud to pass on to our future generation. Let this Independence Day be the moment of commitment and dedication towards the common goodness of our country. Gurukulites grabbed a wonderful opportunity to showcase their talents on this 75th Independence Day.
Many of our Gurukulites played musical instruments, thus expressing their essence of patriotism. Come, let's take a look.
we all drenched in the soothing music of the instruments. Let me express my heartfelt gratitude and thanks to the members of management, T.S. Madhu Jain sir and Rashmi Madhu Jain ma'am for organizing this remarkable event. Special thanks for giving us this opportunity to host this magnificent event. Thank you, beloved Gurujis, for all your efforts and outstanding performances. I also thank the stars of our school, our beloved Gurukulites, who are the future citizens of the country.
Thank you, dear parents, for your cooperation. Thank you, everyone, for your patient listening and cooperation. We hope that Sri Gurukul has once again created its unique landmark with plethora of events displayed virtually. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday.
We hope and believe that our country becomes free from the COVID-19 situation very soon. Namaste. Jai Hind.